Okay, here's our little Falcon. It's a Merlin. We're down by the Boeing Aerospace building and the pond. He's right across the road. We saw his little white tail there. First glance you always think it's a kestrel, but yeah, it's a Merlin. He's just rousting up here and fanning that tail out, sunning himself. He's enjoying the sunshine. What a beautiful bird. We got perfectly blue sky today. Oh man, he saw a little bird go by, see him flinch. He's on the hunt. Oh yeah, turn on. There he goes after it. Look at him go. Watch where he goes. Perfect spot, right on top of the pole. We're going to see if we can get him taken off, or maybe preening up. But watching his head here, he's looking to the left and right pretty good. When he starts bobbing his head, then we know he's getting excited about taking off after something. What a great day. Saw a Cooper hawk earlier down in the thicket preening up. And we mentioned then we wanted to see if we can locate our... Oh, he's going to cast, see? That's that pellet they cough up that's undigested fur and bones and feathers. That's what he flew up here for. Now he got rid of the casting. Now he'll be ready to go hunt and eat. Well, isn't that something? We got our Merlin casting. How interesting is that? You don't get that very often. One of our favorite little falcons, about the size of a stellar jay. So whenever we can locate them, we're happy. Oh yeah. Looking over the back now. Somebody's flying a model airplane. And that's what he's watching. He's going to try to scare the bird off. Well, we'll see. Maybe that'll scare him. He wouldn't attack it because he's too small, but could be enough to scare him off. He is really watching now. They banded the drones up at Suquamish Falls because of the peregrine falcon nest. People have been flying model airplanes and such here for years, so. But our little Merlin's definitely interested in it. He's never seen anything like that. He's probably wondering, what kind of bird is that? Oh yeah, he's got his attention. Well, this is how they watch. This guy's got a model helicopter, and that's what he's doing. He's watching that. Got a good perch, though. He's way safe way up here. And the guy is flying it behind me, so it's not that close that it would scare him. Alright, we'll let him sit there then. Keep a close eye on him. And we'll see what happens. They're head bobbing now. Look at this. Getting excited. There he goes. He's thinking. There he goes. He's had his casting. Got rid of that. Now he's getting ready. Or she, whichever it is. Okay, relieve himself. And then might take off. Oh, look at that. Gonna do some preening. Well, how lucky can we get? We get to see this now. My goodness. We like that. Scratching up. What a beautiful bird. Able to come out here today and See this Merlin land on top of the pole and put on a show. Oh yeah. Well, we're gonna wait and watch her preen up. Hopefully we'll get a takeoff here after a bird. We've got beautiful blue sky. I can see all those beautiful markings on the breast and the front there. My goodness. I noticed that the starlings have kind of settled down now for good reason. There's a tall pole, and this bird just comes sailing almost straight down. Got a good advantage on the small birds on the hunting. He'll be flying towards me because that way it'd be able to surprise the birds. Got the highlight in the eye. This couldn't be better. We're getting some good stuff. It's an excellent perch. High enough, gives a great advantage for hunting. Open field right behind me. All kinds of shrubs behind the bird. That's where they feed, in the grass around the bushes. So, oh yeah, yawning a little bit. Ready for the hunt. Got rid of the casting, so. Watch this little guy here. One of our favorite falcons. Well, it's a great bird watching area. We're down by the Boeing Aerospace Pond. We get a lot of activity here. Oh yeah, I'm going to preen up some more. About got those feathers squared away. Paying close attention. I think he sees that bird down there. There's a couple of them. All right. Well, they went and hid now. Got some bushes down there. They're not going to stay out very long with this bird up there. But there'll be one that doesn't see him, and that'll be it. All right. Get those feathers touched up a little more here, a little preening. Oh yeah, turn that head around 180 degrees. Put a little oil on the feathers here. Get a great stretch here in a little bit. Just checking everything out. I love those markings on the breast. This bird's probably already did the early morning preening when they're wet. Got them all squared away now. It looks pretty dry. This one's ready for the hunt. Oh yeah, there he goes after the bird. Down he goes.